Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2017 Volvo V60 T5 Cross Country Platinum Edition. This is in rich Java metallic, which is such a cool color, with charcoal leather interior. This is an all-wheel drive station wagon with just under 77,000 miles on it. The Platinum package gives it the cool exterior styling kit, so the piece on the front bumper, side and rear bumper, and then you also get the Harman Kardon stereo system. Those are active bending headlights, 18-inch wheels. This has Thule racks on it, keyless entry, and this is packed with safety features. You could even put a tow hook on the back and tow 3,300 pounds. This little V60 is very impressive. I have this in silver, and we pull a trailer full of goat hay and have eliminated the need for a truck so far. So this is our Swedish pickup truck. There's a sunroof, a backup camera. This is pristine under here. I love the style of this. It's so cool. It's like a little buggy, fun to drive, easy to maneuver and park. It has heated front seats, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, child safety locks, cool stitching that matches the exterior paint. And these seats are super comfortable. These are the sport seats. Cozy in the back. You can drop those headrests back there from a touch of a button up here. And this is your ignition switch here. This has navigation, a CD player, your auto stop start is right there if you'd like to turn that off. That's the lane keeping aid. When you check into My Car, click on that, and then click on My Car again. Click on OK. Then OK again once you're in My V60, and now you see all of the safety features that this little V60 comes with. It's really packed for a 2017, which is very nice. You can change this dial up, so if you go to this stock here, roll through, click on the end, hit OK. Go to themes, and now you can change the way everything looks. Elegance is nice, a little gray. Eco is cool, it's green. And it changes over here too. There's a little cubby under here. It's decent space for a wallet or sunglasses. This little thing is packed. If you want to treat yourself, today's the day for a little rich Java. This is stock number 23113A, and it's available for immediate delivery on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. We are Portland Volvo, so come check us out. Schedule your test drive and we'll heat this car up for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.